This is how to zoom in on multiple clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. As you can see here, we have a video clip 1 and video clip 2.
Big Mac? Big Mac? I got the Big Mac.
Assuming you want to zoom in on multiple of these clips, go to Effects Control. If you don't have this, click on Window, Effects Control. And once your video track is selected, if you go to the beginning, click on Motion, and then Position and Scale to add a keyframe. Scroll in, and then move this to the right. As you can see, we're zooming in on our video clip. It adds a keyframe. If you go to the right on Effects Control, you can see the keyframe here. Control+A, Control+C to copy. And then now if you go to your second video clip, make sure you're on Effects Control, go to the keyframe panel, and then Control+V to paste.
I got the Big Mac. Big Mac? Big Mac?
Completely for free in Adobe. This is the before.
Big Mac? Big Mac? I got the Big Mac.
And this is the after.
Big Mac? Big Mac? I got the Big Mac. I'm good. I'm good.